When you're first starting your window cleaning company, you might be asking yourself, what kind of software can you use to keep a customer database, all this detailed information on your customers as well, for free? I've looked and looked and looked, and they have a lot of great window cleaning software. They have a lot of great software out there, but it all costs money. And when you're first starting, you're trying to save money. You're trying to make money. So the last thing you want to be doing is spending all of this money on a customer database when most likely you don't have very many customers at all. I started using this when I first started, and I still use it to this day. Google Docs. Let's open it up. This is my residential customer database. I have one for commercial as well. What you do is you create a new document for each customer that's going to be in here. I created a master copy, and you just copy and paste that for your new customers. So when you go to new customer, of course you would put their name right up here to create the document, so it's easy to search when you pull up Google Docs. For example, when I go back to Google Docs, it allows you to search right here. And if I want to search, say, green, it pulls up green, just like that. So it's really a great tool to pull up anyone's information. And say you're out in the field, you're doing a commercial job, and you have John Smith call you. John Smith wants to know how much was the last window cleaning, how many windows you cleaned, whatever kind of information. If you keep track of all of that and input it, and you can even input this at each job on your phone, you can pull this up on your smartphone and tell them all that information. You don't have to go back to the office, pull this file, whatever it may be. And when you're first starting, you're not going to have a secretary. You can't call anyone and ask them information or have him call the office. You need to have all of this on you. I'll just show you what a new customer, or what it looks like right here. So you would fill out their name, street, or their address right here, their phone number, is it interior work, exterior work, number of stories, time of work, price, date of last service, date of next service, and comments. I use the comments a lot. So say they have chandelier cleaning, a screen repair, and interior window cleaning or exterior window cleaning. I can fill all that out in the comments. Or say a customer, for example, I have one customer, he doesn't like to be called Mr. He just likes to be called his first name. So I would input that in the comments. If I have so many customers now, sometimes I cannot remember every single detail about a customer. If there's something that strikes me as important to them or they stress to me, I would put that under comments. So I use the comments quite a bit just to keep track of all the information. Again, this is just a free software that you can use to really help keep everything organized within your business. I use this for my commercial too. I also keep a paper list for my commercial with me every day. Sometimes it's easier just going through a paper folder to pull up a commercial account, because those are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever it may be, than going up to Google Docs every time. And this is also really easy to share with, I have 2 part-time employees. This is easy, this kind of information is easy to share with your employees, to email it or share it on their Google Calendar. For the Google Calendar, I'll make another video, but this is a great tool to keep track of all of your customers' information. I hope this helps you, and that's all.